US made, US proud, US Speedo.
Hey guys, Bryce here from US Speedo, your source of everything speedometer. Today we're here at the SEMA 2019 show with our friend Robbie from Keg Media. US Speedo has partnered with these guys for the last several years on some really great builds, and we're really excited to be a part of this one. Today we actually got a 2019 Chevy Silverado. Just got a couple questions here for Robbie. So Robbie, what got you into SEMA?
I would say I've been doing this for about 18 years, but about 10 years ago, some of my clients kept telling me, hey, you need to come out to the SEMA show, you need to do a build. So finally, we decided to do a build, run it out. It was called the Headhunter. It was our debut build. We got the cover of Truckin' Magazine with it, and then after that, we just kind of kept expanding to where now we do 15 to 20 builds a year at the Keg Media. And this is one of our personal builds, 2019 Chevy Silverado half-ton. A lot of stuff on it. It's brand new, a lot of nice little details. One of the nice things that we like to do with all of ours is work with US Speedo. We like to change the inside a little bit. We always do our Elite leather, but we always like to add US Speedo to give our dash a little bit of custom flair to it. The more stuff you keep stock, the more interesting it looks stock. So, you switch that out. It's a nice little addition to the truck. But, we've got some new bumpers from Chassis Unlimited. Brand new bumper, CAD design. This is the first test fit. Fit perfect. Got some brand new wheels from American Force that just came out, new style. New Fury off-road tires, brand new size for them, the 35, 15, 50, 26s. But all in all, I think the truck turned out good. We've got Speedo Motorsports booth that we're setting here in. This is the brand new 8-inch lift on the truck. Everything we've powder coated a Troll Blue for prismatic powders, and I think everything ties in really good. Nice and subtle, but really clean.
I just want to say thank you to Robbie and all of Keg Media for allowing US Speedo to be a part of all their builds. So while watching, keep your eyes out for many great builds to come from US Speedo as well as Keg Media.